know you've connected with somebody? Because earlier you talked about like we have the ability to love anybody by, when we look into their eyes, we can fall in love with pretty much anyone.
Yeah.
But how do you know that you're falling in love with the right one?
You got to test them and wait. So that's why you wait for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, because you have to wait. That's one reason I started dating more than one person at once, because I didn't want to get all involved with somebody who I don't know who they are yet. So you have to keep testing them and finding out, are they rude to the waiter?
Mm-hmm.
Are they gainfully employed? I meet a lot of guys that say they're self-employed. It's like, what does that mean? What does it mean? Are you contributing to the world in any way? Are you just sitting around and saying you want to be a writer someday? Or are you actually giving of yourself? Do you have any charities that you do? Do you have any volunteer work? What's your relationship like with your family? Are you on a personal growth path at all? Because if you're not, it's not going to work for me. Are you financially solvent, not rich, but are you at least stable, financially stable? Are you capable of commitment? And that would show up in, have you committed to anything? Have you committed to a career or a pet or are you capable of commitment? Well, you'll have to test the person over the first 3 months to find out, is this a good person or is this person just look good? Is this a good human being? And they will show that to you. There's one guy I was just crazy about. And then we went out and he started making fun of the waiter behind his back. I'm like trying to be funny. And I'm like, what kind of person makes fun of a waiter behind their back? This is not a sign of good character. If he's going to make fun of a waiter, he's going to make fun of me. I can't be with that person. I don't care how hot I think they are. So you start seeing signs of what is not a good person, and you have to, no matter how much you're attracted to him, you have to go, that's not going to work for me. That's not going to create a relationship of trust, safety, respect. And I want that. I want really intimate and really great sex, and that's only going to come if we have great trust and we're both really working on ourselves to be the best people we can be. And I want a guy.
So it goes back to that trust thing.
Yes. Can I trust this person with my secrets? Can I trust this person with my vulnerability? Can I trust this person with my emotions?